Why does responsibility always come with consequences?
Great question. Now you are thinking like someone who really wants to grow. This is where the story of Nehemiah becomes powerful, because rebuilding required courage, planning, and responsibility. Let's slow down and look carefully. Nehemiah does not just feel sad about broken walls, he takes action step by step. This might surprise you. Progress came with pressure, opposition, and risk. Most people miss this part. Responsibility means staying committed even when things get hard. Here is the deeper layer. Every decision to act or not act shapes outcomes over time.
So, what does that actually mean?
1. This is where the story begins to unfold in a deeper way. Nehemiah takes responsibility to rebuild what was broken. 2. Now we start to see what was really happening beneath the surface. He planned carefully and stayed focused despite challenges. 3. This part is easy to skip, but it matters. People worked together and stayed alert while rebuilding. 4. Here is where growth quietly begins. Responsibility requires both effort and discipline. 5. This connects directly to real life. Taking action is what turns ideas into results. 6. This is the layer that shapes character over time. Responsibility builds strength through consistent effort.
Does the brain really change from small steps?
Yes. First, your brain truly changes when you repeat actions tied to responsibility. Second, this is how habits slowly become automatic, including discipline and follow-through. Third, emotions grow stronger the more we rehearse them, including courage and persistence. Then, neural pathways begin firing faster and more efficiently, making action easier over time. Next, repeated reactions shape identity without us noticing, turning effort into character. Finally, what feels small today becomes powerful tomorrow, because action builds momentum.
How does this show up in real life?
1. Think about how this shows up in school or work. People often delay action when tasks feel difficult. 2. Notice how emotions often react before logic, especially when pressure increases. 3. Watch what happens when stress repeats daily. People may avoid responsibility instead of facing it. 4. Small habits quietly create bigger patterns, shaping reliability or inconsistency. 5. Modern life makes this even more visible, because distractions can pull attention away from meaningful work.
So, small equals big?
Yes. First, small steps almost always look unimpressive at the beginning. Second, repetition is what gives them strength, especially in consistent effort. Third, steady practice builds quiet momentum, making responsibility easier. Then, what once felt difficult becomes natural. Lastly, consistency turns small faith into strong character.
So, how do I start?
Step 1. Pause and notice what is actually happening when you avoid responsibility. Step 2. Allow yourself to feel discomfort without running from it. Step 3. Choose one small action to move forward. Step 4. Reflect gently instead of criticizing yourself. Step 5. Repeat tomorrow, because growth loves consistency.
What should we do today?
1. Choose something simple, not dramatic. 2. Start smaller than you think you need to. 3. Observe your reactions carefully. 4. Adjust without quitting. 5. Come back tomorrow and build again. Remember, responsibility grows through action, not intention alone. God strengthens those who stay consistent in small steps. Keep building daily, because steady effort shapes both the mind and the future. If this sparked curiosity, share this video with someone you care about. Learning grows stronger together.
See you in the next episode.